good lovers and friends, welcome to another video. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, je m'appelle Audrey. Guys, we are touring a place together. First time. I literally saw this place on Facebook. It said it's in Chelstone, so I googled it. That's not far. Let's go have lunch or a drink and just see the place. You know, it looks really nice. So yeah, you know, I'm bringing you Lusaka here and there. The place is called Palm Kalash Resort. The middle name there, I'm not sure, but let's do this. Parking lot. So I tried to make a video when I was coming in at the entrance, but guys, as you may have noticed, it's kind of hard, especially to make a video while driving and you know all of that. But yeah, there's the entrance. Ooh. Am I going the right direction? My mask. Hold on. So Palm Kalash Resort is located in Chelstone. Chelstone is about 20 minutes drive from Kenneth Kaunda International Airport, which is the Lusaka International Airport, making this place one of the best places for accommodation if you're a foreigner visiting the country, or if you're having any international travel. You can pretty much guarantee you'll be able to make your flight on time. And I think that's just a super plus considering its location. It's equally also about 20 minutes drive to East Park Mall, which is Lusaka's biggest mall. If you haven't watched my previous video about Lusaka malls, I'm gonna add it in the description box below. Check it out and you will see, yeah, you're quite in a good location for this and that.
My own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I'm inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. I wanna taste your content, hold your breath and feel the tension.
This is where I entered from. Initially, I had ordered Mexican taco, which they turned out not to have. Now, for me, when I visit a restaurant for the first time and the first thing I order off the menu they do not have is a super no. But it's a no that can easily be cancelled by a good meal. This chicken biryani, although initially it looked like it didn't have any chicken but turned out to have enough chicken pieces, was super duper good. Thumbs up to the chef on this one. I can't take that away from them. If you ever visit this place, this chicken biryani, highly recommend.
Who's hide behind redemption? Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption. Eat faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music to the wick burns out.
This is nice and big.
Just wanna be carefree lately, yeah. Just kicking up daisies. Got one too many quarters in my pockets. Count 'em like the four-leaf clovers in my locket. Untied laces, yeah.
The closet. This is my favorite part, guys. For 1,000 kwacha only. Where else do you want to go? Ooh. Oh wow. I suppose this is the family room?
Yes.
It's big. And the cleanliness, and it's tidy. Oh my goodness. Look at that. And how much is this one?
1,000.
Also 1,000.
No,
1,500.
1,250.
1,250.
This one is 1,500.
You said 1,000.
I will show you 1,000. It's a family room.
Oh, okay. Oh, so this one is 1,250 because it doesn't have a sofa.
Music till the wick burns out.
Oh, amazing. Oh my gosh, you guys. Yeah. The bathrooms are my favorite. I just... how do you pronounce the place?
Palm Kalash.
Palm Kalash, okay.
Wanna be carefree lately, yeah. Just picking up daisies. Got one too many quarters in my pockets. Got 'em like the four-leaf clovers in my lap.
This is a presidential suite.
Yes.
No wonder the space. It's very spacious. And how much is this one?
2,500.
This is 2,500. I mean, if you're a big family, this is a lot of space for kids to run and... Oh, this aircon.